Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Facebook Live event on Avient Specialty Inks. Today, we have Ashley Hudson, our marketing and communications person up in Avon Lake, Ohio, and she has something very exciting to show us today. Ashley?
Thanks, Ray. Good to see everybody again. It's been a while. Hope you're having a great Friday. I think we have an exciting presentation today. What I'm going to show you, I think, has been requested numerous times, basically color codes for most of our common colors. What I have up here now is actually our Zodiac Aquarius color card in Spanish. So I'm going to show you how to access our PMS, unique PMS color codes for 2 Zodiac Aquarius color cards. So I'll show you how to download these in a minute, but basically what we've done is embedded color codes for each of our colors right on the swatches. So there's nothing to click. Don't be deceived by the little finger arrow, but it does reveal the unique PMS color code when you hover over each of these swatches. So how did I get here? Let's start on the Zodiac Aquarius water-based ink page. And I'm just going to go down to our pigment concentrates page. This is a pigment concentrates color card. So we'll wait for that to load. And then we land on the main page. And one of our resources here is actually the Zodiac Aquarius color card. What I'm going to pull up is the English version of the color card and show you how to access those swatches. What will load is actually the standard flat color card. So to get the actual swatches to reveal the unique PMS codes, what you have to do is download the card, save it to your computer, which I'll show you in a second once it loads. Okay, so now that our card has loaded, you'll see that you can't actually hover over the swatches and reveal the PMS codes. So I'm just going to download this, open my Finder, and here's my color card in English. Scroll down and reveal the color codes.
Well, I can't tell you how many times we get calls on this.
Hopefully this will help.
Yeah, this will save us a lot of time at tech service.
Good. Right now, we just have this available for Zodiac Aquarius, but we will be rolling these out over the next few months for each of our color cards. And we will, of course, keep you posted on those. So just watch out for announcements from us.
Yes, I think once we get our like our mixing systems, our finished mixing systems and such, this would be a great advantage for some of our customers who are just looking for a certain Pantone or something, and they can use the component as the direct ink. I think it's going to really help a lot of people. This is fantastic.
Great. They will all be available on our website again once we roll everything out. So be sure to check back for the latest, and we'll have these available.
Well, thank you, Ashley. It was very exciting. I think this is going to help a lot of customers out there, and thank you for always thinking about them. And we'll look forward to these new cards coming out.
Sounds good. Thanks, Ray.
Thank you.
Bye.